Let me show you how you guys can log into eFootball on iPhone. So open up eFootball. If you open up eFootball for the first time like this is what's going to show. So just choose your language and then just click on done at the bottom. Then just choose your region. So I'm just gonna go for my random region and click on next. And over here you cannot change your country or region later, so I confirm that, so just keep that in mind. And from here basically just click on the circle button in the middle, which is just like glowing a bit, and click on I agree to the above, and then just click on accept. Click on accept again, click on proceed, and wait for some time. Now it's going to show you all of this, so just click on prefer not to answer and click on continue. Now if you're like an iPhone user like me, it's going to sync your Apple ID automatically. All right, so just click on continue. For all this answer, just click on continue. So this is going to be your username. I can also change it or stuff, or I can put my own custom one, but I'll just go with this one and click on continue and wait for some time now. And as you guys can see, I have not done anything. It's creating my user ID itself, and then it's just going to link it with my Apple ID automatically since I'm using iPhone. So it's asking for anything latest. I'll just click on cancel for now and wait for some time, and bang, now I can just click on login over here. And I'm just going to skip this intro and stuff because I have already played eFootball, so I don't need to get that intro and stuff. And just like that, I have logged in. I didn't have to do anything. So yeah, that's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.